Hello folks, this is a PCV valve. This is a neon with a 2.0, but on most PCV valves that are screwed into the valve cover, it's very simple. Just get the wrench of your choice, unplug the hose. Okay, unplug the hose first, get the wrench of your choice, spin it all the way out. Okay, if it's plastic and it breaks on you, yeah, that might be a little bit of a problem. But with this, it was easy. Just took a big screwdriver in there, jabbed it in there, and I spun it out. I was able to save it. All right, so screw in your PCV valve into the valve cover, nice and gentle. You don't want to break it. Remember, this is plastic. You get the metal ones from a different engine, you might be okay. But just remember, if this is plastic, something's going to break, especially if it's really cold out. And you put the hose back. Ugh, there it is. All right, simple, easy peasy. Most PCV valves, which are found in the valve cover, it's screwed on or pushed on with a little rubber grommet. But majority of them right now are just screwed on. Just get a wrench and spin it off. Okay? There you go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.